It is August 22nd, 2015 at Flying Inn Estates in Luthersville, Georgia. There is no way to do an inventory. We are organizing parts on a daily basis and putting things in some kind of order out of chaos. Rocker arm assemblies, R2600 plus others, hundreds of them. 100,000 pounds of aircraft parts, new and used, pistons, valve, push rods, instruments, aircraft cylinders, you name it. We'll get them out of the pile and on the shelves and somewhat organized as we can. Lots of valves, you name it, we've got valves. We've got crankshafts for radial engines, dozens of them, pistons, new and used, with magnetos, tachometers, crankshafts, tack drives, more cylinders down there, rocker arms, lots of parts. We bought an auction, had to move it in a hurry. Pratt & Whitney, Wright, Lycoming, Continental. We have carburetors for T28s. We also have new fuel pumps for T28s. And many others. Here's connecting rods, hundreds of them brand new for 0470s. Carburetors, wrist pins, hundreds of spark plugs. We have actually cases of spark plugs. Bearings. These crankshafts are 1820 rotary wing, so they probably won't be put to use. Different rings. Here's Pratt & Whitney, but we've also got Lycoming rings and Curtiss-Wright. Rocker arms. Lots of new push rod tubes and valve covers. Lots of brand new ones. Tons of used bearings. Here's a case of rings. The parts just go on and on. Lots of Curtiss-Wright, Lycoming, Continental, Pratt & Whitney, oil filters, filter elements. Just everywhere you look. All right, this is certainly not an intention of you to find exactly what you need, but just to get an idea of, there's just a lot of all of it, a lot of it brand new. And let's go down, let's leave the hangar, go down to the house. This situation will change daily as we work on it. But call me if you're looking for something specific, and oh, God love you if you want to come out and help us identify and put things in order. No room in the hangar, obviously. So we have several things here. Just we have lots of cylinders for 1820. We have new, used, serviceable. We've got red tags. We've got those that need to be looked at. We literally have a couple of hundred of that. Valves, brand new, sodium filled valves, hundreds of those. Nose cases. Now on the flat engine side, we've got some brand new crankcases here. We've got brand new cases for 0300s and 0320s. over here. More cylinders. Lots and lots of prop splices, 2-blade and 3-blade. And lots of crankshafts for radial engines, new and serviceable, and some not so serviceable. Okay, you can also pick up your Jaguar convertible. We're in Luthersville, August 22nd at the Flying In Estates Airport.